In this geometry theorem proof, we are going to prove that in any triangle, the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. As always, we want to outline the steps that we need to work through first. So the steps are, we're going to draw and label a triangle. Then we are going to label the angles within that triangle. Then we are going to continue the baseline to form the exterior angle. And then we're going to label that. And then we're going to identify the relationships between the angles in the straight angle. And we're going to use the premise that the angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. And then we are going to use both these information to construct the proof that we require. So let's get started. We're going to draw and label a triangle. We're going to label it A, B, and C. The next step is we are going to label the angles. And in this case, we're going to label them 1, 2, and 3. The next step is to continue the baseline out to create this exterior angle. This is the one we're looking for here. And then we're going to label that angle. And now we are ready to start stating the relationships that we know. We know, and first of all, okay, let's look at what it is we want to prove. We want to prove that angle 4, the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So in how we've set this up, we want to prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So how are we going to do this? We are going to identify the relationships between the angles in the straight line first. And that is, we know that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees because they form a straight line. We also know that the three angles in any triangle add to 180 degrees. So we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Now, using these two bits of information, that angle 3 plus angle 4 is also equal to 180 degrees, we can see that we have two statements equaling 180 degrees. That angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180, and that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. So we can put both of these equal to each other. We can equate the two of these statements. So we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. And we can see that using our algebra, we can eliminate our angle 3's here. We are subtracting angle 3 from both sides of the equation. And when we do this, we are left with angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. And that is what we wanted to prove, that the exterior angle, angle 4, was equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. In this case, angle 1 plus angle 2. And then when you finish off a theorem, you always want to write QED, which stands for Quod Erat Demonstrandum. What was to be proved? We proved that angle 1 plus angle 2, the two interior opposite angles, was equal to angle 4, the exterior angle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that, as with all of these theorems, practicing these makes perfect. Practice remembering the steps first and then move into practicing the actual mathematical steps of writing it out mathematically. But do know the steps first. Be able to walk through them in your head. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.